Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Mohammad Akil of Group LA11921. My topic is traditional and modern information on the topography of stomach and duodenum. I have made this video under the guidance of my respected professor Zadani Priyani Igor Vladimirovich. Stomach is the dilated portion of the alimentary canal. The stomach is situated in the upper part of the abdomen. The several parts are distinguished: fundus, cardiac part, body, pyloric antrum, and pyloric canal. The stomach has the lesser curvature and the greater curvature. Two notches are cardiac notch and angular notch. In this radiograph, we can see the stomach and duodenum. Layers are serous layer, muscular layer, which is divided into external layer, middle layer, and internal layer, and the submucous layer and mucous layer. Horotopy of stomach. It is projected on the left hypochondriac and proper epigastric regions. Syntopy. Anteriorly it is pregastric bursa. Posteriorly it is left kidney, adrenal gland and pancreas. Superiorly it is liver, esophagus and diaphragm. Inferiorly it is transverse colon. Medially liver, duodenum, gallbladder, aorta, inferior vena cava and portal triad, and laterally it is spleen. Skeletotopy. Cardiac part, it is located at the level of 10th or 11th thoracic vertebra. Fundus at the 11th thoracic vertebra. Greater curvature above the costal arch. Pyloric part, it is at the level of 12th thoracic and first lumbar vertebra. Peritoneal relations of stomach. It is intraperitoneal, largely surrounded by peritoneum. Arterial supply is by the left gastric artery, right gastric artery, left and right gastroepiploic artery, and short gastric arteries. Venous drainage is by the left and right gastric veins that drain directly into the portal vein. The short gastric veins and the left gastroepiploic veins join the splenic vein, and the right gastroepiploic veins join the superior mesenteric vein. Lymphatic drainage of the stomach. The lymph vessels follow the arteries into the left and right gastric nodes, left and right gastroepiploic nodes, and the short gastric nodes. All the lymph from the stomach eventually passes to the celiac nodes located around the root of the celiac artery on the posterior abdominal wall. There are 4 zones: inferior gastric, splenic, superior gastric, and hepatic zones. Nerve supply. Sympathetic derived from the celiac plexus. Parasympathetic, it is by right and left vagus nerves. Afferent from the phrenic nerve, hepatic and celiac plexuses. Thoracic and lumbar spinal nerves, vagus nerve, anterior trunk, greater and lesser splanchnic nerves. Ligaments of the stomach. There it is superficial ligaments and deep ligaments. Superficial ligaments include hepatoduodenal, hepatogastric, phrenicogastric, gastrolenal and gastrocolic ligaments. Deep ligaments include gastropancreatic ligament and pyloropancreatic ligament. Duodenum is the C-shaped tube about 25 cm long that joins the stomach to the jejunum. In this radiograph, we can see the duodenum and its part. Horotopy of duodenum. It is projected on the proper epigastric and umbilical regions. Skeletotopy of duodenum. It is located at the level of first and third lumbar vertebrae. Syntopy of the duodenum. Superiorly it is liver and gallbladder. Inferiorly it is jejunum. Posteriorly inferior vena cava, and laterally pancreas. Layers of the duodenum. Serous layer, muscular layer, which is divided into external layer, internal layer, and our batch mesenteric plexus, which is located between these two layers, and submucous layer and mucous layer. 4 parts are superior part, descending part, horizontal part, and ascending part. Relation of the first part of the duodenum. Anteriorly it is liver and gallbladder. Posteriorly bile duct, portal vein, gastroduodenal artery. Relation of second part of the duodenum. Anteriorly liver, transverse colon, coils of jejunum. Posteriorly right kidney, inferior vena cava, right psoas major muscle. Relations of third part of the duodenum. Anteriorly superior mesenteric vessels, root of the mesentery. Posteriorly right psoas major muscle, right ureter, right gonadal vessels, inferior vena cava, abdominal aorta, and origin of inferior mesenteric artery. Relations of fourth part of the duodenum. Anteriorly transverse colon and mesocolon. Stomach. Posteriorly left cruise of diaphragm, left psoas major muscle, left sympathetic chain, left renal vessels, left gonadal vessels, and inferior mesenteric vein. Suspensory ligament of treats. It is a fibromuscular band which suspends and supports the duodenojejunal flexure. Duodenum peritoneal relations. It is mostly retroperitoneal and fixed except at its two ends where it is suspended by the folds of peritoneum. Arterial supply of duodenum. It is by supraduodenal artery, anterior and posterior branches of the inferior pancreaticoduodenal artery, anterior superior pancreaticoduodenal artery, posterior superior pancreaticoduodenal artery. Venous drainage of duodenum. It is by splenic and superior mesenteric veins, which then drained into the portal vein. Lymphatic drainage of the duodenum. It is by superior and inferior pancreaticoduodenal lymph nodes, then drained into the hepatic nodes, then drained into the celiac and superior mesenteric lymph nodes. Nerve supply of duodenum. Sympathetic. It is from the fifth thoracic to second lumbar nerves, and the parasympathetic. It is by the vagus nerve, and afferent from phrenic nerves, greater and lesser splenic nerves, thoracic and lumbar spinal nerves, hypogastric, hepatic, superior and inferior mesenteric plexus. Mucous membrane and duodenal papilla. In the first part of the duodenum, mucous membrane is smooth. In the remainder of the duodenum, it is thrown into numerous circular folds called plegia circularis. At the site where the bile duct and main pancreatic duct pierce the medial wall of the second part is the small round elevation called the major duodenal papilla. The accessory pancreatic duct, if it presents, open into the duodenum on the smaller papilla called minor duodenal papilla, about 2 cm above the major duodenal papilla. Thank you.